welcome to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. I'm rounding out the Eastern Seaboard Seafood Fair, and I am doing a shrimp boil. I know it's not just down on the East Coast, they're all over now, but this is where I got to know it. So I have water in here, and I'm just going to start my seasonings in my pot. I have onions. I have, bay leaves. Onions I just cut in half. And I have thyme that I have knotted in a string. I'm just going to put right here. So then when I want to fish it out, I can. And I'll just slip knot it there. I have garlic, peppercorns, and guess what? Big surprise. Old Bay seasoning and beer. I like a light beer, but you can put whatever kind of beer you like or you have on hand. This is the beer I have on hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to the boil and then reduce to simmer. Now I'm just going to put the potatoes in. And once those are tender, I'm not throwing them in. Notice that, because it'll all splash up on me. Put in my corn, putting in my smoked sausage, and then the very last thing I'll add is shrimp. Now I just add my shrimp till they turn pink. Look at that broth. See how fast they turn pink? And I just get them from the store, and they're already split on the back and cleaned, and that's it. Here's a quick sauce for your shrimp boil. There's mayonnaise, ketchup, a little hot sauce, and you could leave out the hot sauce. Old Bay, can't leave that out though. Got the wrong side. And a squirt of lemon. I'm just gonna keep the seeds out. There you go. You got a nice little sauce for your shrimp boil. Here is my shrimp boil. It's all done. Can't wait to get to the shrimp. That's the coup de grace of everything. And then what I did was I just put a little butter in there, and you can always make bread to sop up the juice. And then try a little of the sauce. Wow, that shrimp. And what keeps you from having to eat so much, or what keeps you from, it's like pistachios, you've got to shell them. So you can't eat as many as you would like by the handfuls. So this is so good. I remember one time we were in Louisiana, and they had a shrimp boil, and they put it over newspaper, and I was with my niece, and she was about 2 years old, and she loved the shrimp so much, but it was so hot, and she kept wiping her tongue, but there were 3 of us shelling the shrimp for her, and we couldn't keep up on shelling the shrimp, and she'd wipe her tongue and want more shrimp. Now she doesn't even touch shrimp. So, let's taste the potato. I've already get a little butter there. Nice and tender. You can taste the Old Bay. And like I said, this stuff is gold down in Louisiana. It is delicious. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com, and remember, like and share and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you for all the likes and shares so far. I really appreciate it. Remember to make comments down at the bottom. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you like and what your traditions are. Can't wait to hear from you. You have a great day. God bless. Bye.